Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into ADP employee account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit notification bell so that you will never miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. Now type in adp.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will land it to its official website. Now from here, tap on sign in button on the top right of the screen. After that, you will land it to this page where you will ask for pick the option that describes you best. Click on arrow and you can see different options. Choose from these options and tap on next button. After that, you will direct it to its login page. Type in your username correctly. If you want to make your username remember by your system, then check this remember user ID and it will automatically type in your user ID in your next visit. But if you're using others or shared device, then make sure you uncheck this button. Now if you have forgotten your user ID, you can retrieve your user ID by tapping on forget your user ID link. Now after typing your user ID correctly, tap on next. After that, password box will appear on the screen. Type in your password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget your password link. Now after entering all the details correctly, tap on sign in button to get logged into your account. I hope this video helped you to get logged into your ADP account. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.